In this video, we will make an example to learn how to update data in the Firebase database in Python. The user will enter the ID of a member in the data set he wants to change. Then he will be able to change that member's name, surname and age information. Now let's do this project with you from the very beginning. I am creating a new code file. I copy the API keys from the database file we used in previous lessons. I will create a data set. I use the Mockaroo website. I will share the link of the site in the description section of the video. I need a dataset containing ID, name, surname and age. Age may be between 20 and 40. I am creating 10 data in JSON format. I can copy and paste the data using the preview button. I will save the dataset to Firebase Realtime database using for loop. First, let's learn how to access the data in the data variable. We can do this with the in command. I will generate a random number for each data. You can think of random numbers as a title for each data set member. You will understand better what I mean in a moment. I can do this with the randint function in the random library. A random number between the two numbers sent to the randint function will be generated during the for loop. I am importing the random library. I will save the dataset to Firebase Realtime database using child and set functions. I use the random number function in the child function. I send the variable x to the set function. Added dataset to Firebase. I want to show you the data one by one. A random number was generated for each member of the data set. We will soon learn how to update this data. I turn the for loop into a comment line. I am creating a variable. First, let's try to access the data. We can access data using child and get. We can see how the variable looks with the print command. It doesn't make any sense right now. Let's take a look at the keys variable using a for loop. Actually, the keys variable is a data set. I can see this with the print command. With the val function, I can see the members of each data set in a readable format. With the key function, we can access the random numbers we produce for each data set. You can see the accuracy of the data by comparing it with Firebase. Additionally, a specific desired information can be accessed by adding an specifier to the val function. For example, let's try to access the name member. Only information corresponding to the name member is shown. I will receive ID, name, surname, and age information from the user as input. The ID value entered by the user represents the data member to be changed. Name, surname, and age can be changed by the user. Now let's edit the for loop. I convert print commands to comment lines. I can find the ID member entered by the user with the if query. I will update the name, surname, and age information of the member I found. I can perform the update operation using child and update functions. I need to send the key value to the second child function. I need to do the same thing for surname and age as I did for name. Now let's test the project. First, I enter the ID of the member I want to update. Now I can update name, surname, and age information. The update process was done instantly in the Realtime database. Let's update a different member. The update process has been completed. In the next video, I will create a GUI application where we can update the data using Python custom kinter. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.